If you've ever researched anything to do with Toyota hybrid vehicles, you've probably read or heard about the common myth about how the battery could fail or how it could be insanely expensive to maintain or repair a Toyota hybrid vehicle in case anything ever goes wrong. Or similar speculations like don't buy one if it's coming out of factory warranty. But here's the problem. Most of this information, nearly all of it, is outdated, exaggerated, or flat out wrong. In this video, I'm not here to hype or scare you away from any hybrids, but I want to break down what actually happens to Toyota hybrid batteries over time and how they work based on real world ownership, repair data, and how the systems are designed to work. I'm about to cover how long these batteries really last, what typically fails, if anything, and what doesn't, and what replacement cost actually could cost today, not from 10-15 years ago. Bottom line, if you're considering buying a pre-owned or a brand new Toyota hybrid vehicle, or you already own one, or you're just trying to separate facts from internet myths, this video will give you the clarity you probably haven't found elsewhere. Allow me to start off with the biggest misconception and misunderstanding about the high voltage hybrid Toyota batteries and why most owners never experience any failure at all. Do you think Toyota hybrid batteries cost tens of thousands of dollars to replace and fail around 100,000 kilometers or miles? Well, if this is the case, you've been lied to or given some wrong information, and in this video I'm going to explain exactly how it works and what really happens regarding Toyota hybrid batteries. So online and in person, everybody talks about Toyota hybrid reliability until they mention one thing, the hybrid high voltage battery. Then suddenly it's a bunch of fear and rumors and speculations that come into play when talking about the potential of replacement for this hybrid high voltage battery itself. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about the actual truth that maybe no one has told you or explained to you about the hybrid high voltage batteries, how long they actually last, what they really typically cost, and the myths that keep people scared for really no reason. So let's be honest, one of the biggest fears about hybrids in general is that right around 100,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles, the hybrid high voltage battery may degrade or fail in general, and you'd have to repair or replace it, which would send you bankrupt. But guess what? This fear and speculation is actually not true and not the case, and it's 100% outdated. So to recap, the common myths about these hybrid high voltage batteries is that they generally last around 100,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles. That is entirely not true. That they can cost upwards of $10,000-15,000 plus dollars, and that they're too complicated to even get into repair or replacing. I'll explain to you where this fear actually comes from, and you'll see how dated and irrelevant it actually is to today's world and technology. So this fear comes from the early hybrid days, back in the early 2000s, where the technology was actually completely new and being rolled out mainstream. People didn't really understand the hybrid technology, but Toyota has had over 25 years to perfect the hybrid system itself, and the real world data tells a very different story than what you might be worried about. So really guys, what's the truth? What's the proof? And that is that the real world data shows that the Toyota hybrid system, and specifically the Toyota hybrid high voltage batteries, last well north of 200 to 300,000 miles. Convert that to kilometers and you're talking about upwards of around 500,000 kilometers with the original hybrid system intact. And there is Toyotas on the road that have much more driving, much more use, mileage, and kilometers still with the Toyota hybrid factory system in it from when it was built brand new, north of 500,000, lots of taxis, lots of Ubers being used with hundreds of thousands of kilometers still with the original hybrid system and hybrid high voltage battery in place. You see, one of the main differences from the hybrid systems back in the early days when they were just being rolled out to now in 2025 or 2026 is that Toyota designed these hybrid high voltage batteries with conservative charge cycles, meaning they're never really fully charged or never really fully drained. That massively boosts the lifespan of these hybrid systems. So in other words, the Toyota hybrid high voltage batteries actually experience way less stress than a battery, for example, on your smartphone or on your laptop, and that's one of the reasons why they last so much longer. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear how the Toyota factory hybrid related warranty actually quietly reveals just how reliable and how much trust Toyota has in these systems. I just want to take a quick second before I go any further. I want to say a big thank you and appreciation to all of the new subscribers on this channel. Reaching nearly 80,000 subscribers to me is nuts. It's absolutely mind-blowing. It might not seem like a big number to you, but I appreciate each and every one of you, current, new, past, and existing subscribers. If you haven't already done so, please take a moment to go down and hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. So let me explain something to you. When you get a new Toyota vehicle, whether it's a hybrid or not, you have a 3-year, 60,000 kilometer comprehensive warranty, which is referred to as a bumper-to-bumper warranty, or you also have a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer powertrain warranty, which covers components like your engine, transmission. Well, in Canada, we also have a hybrid related factory warranty, which covers you up to 10 years. It's one of the best and longest hybrid related factory covered warranties in the industry, which tells you a lot about the hybrid reliability and the trust Toyota has in these hybrid high voltage battery and systems. In other words, Toyota isn't really expecting any of these components to really fail within this period. Toyota is basically saying, relax, we got this. Okay, so let's talk about money and what it could really cost if you did have to do a repair like this or a replacement of your hybrid high voltage battery, because this is where the myth and the general fear really comes into play. All right, so you may have heard about rumors or in conversations talking with people that if you had to replace your hybrid high voltage battery on your late or past model Toyota hybrid vehicle, that it could cost nearly as much as the value or price of the vehicle itself. Well, this in today's world is definitely not the case and definitely not true. Replacing the hybrid high voltage battery on your later model or past model Toyota hybrid vehicle is not going to cost you the price of the vehicle or the value of the vehicle. It might not even cost you half of that for various reasons, which I'm about to mention. But keep in mind, you've got a 10-year warranty, up to a 10-year warranty, depending on where you're from and where you're located, that covers you in case something goes wrong. In general, depending on exactly where you're from, where you're located, what type of hybrid Toyota you have, and exactly what's wrong with it, you can probably expect a battery replacement cost to be anywhere from around $3,500 all the way up to $5,000 plus, but not in the vicinity of $15,000 to $25,000 or $20,000. I've been seeing a lot of weird stuff online with regards to pricing and with regards to what it actually costs to replace a hybrid high voltage battery, but that's not really the case. Keep in mind, sometimes depending on what is actually going wrong, if something's going wrong, a full replacement of the system or of the battery itself may not always be the case and may not always be needed. There's also an option for repair depending on exactly what's going on. Here's a little bonus fact. Because hybrid systems actually reduce stress on components like the combustion engine or even the brakes, some owners save enough on maintenance overall and fuel to offset the cost of a battery replacement if they ever needed one in the first place. So to recap and cover the myth versus the actual reality, number one, the batteries do not fail at around 100,000 kilometers or 100,000 miles. They actually last up to at least 2 to 3 times that in most cases. Now, I didn't really talk about this one, but I did do a separate video on this. I'll leave a link in the description below, and that's relating to cold weather and cold environments and how they affect the Toyota hybrid system. They do not kill or actually harm the system. What actually happens is the cold weather slows down the performance temporarily of the hybrid system itself, which in turn allows you to or gets you to burn more fuel and more gasoline. But in general, the Toyota hybrids have a thermal management system, so this is reduced by quite a bit. Another myth is that the batteries cost as much as a used vehicle. This is not the case. Prices today are far lower than what they used to be due to factors like competition, remanufacturing, and Toyota's scale. Another big myth is that hybrids are just too complicated and too expensive to fix, work on, or repair. This is definitely not the case. Hybrid Toyotas actually have fewer wear and tear items and parts than your regular non-hybrid gasoline combustion Toyota vehicles, and often lower long-term maintenance costs overall because of this. Should you buy a Toyota hybrid vehicle? I think that the proof is in the data, in the pudding, and in this video, the Toyota hybrid reliability is definitely one that supersedes and surpasses a lot of other hybrid vehicles out there on the road and vehicles in general, with a super long lifespan, strong factory OEM warranty, moderate replacement costs if ever needed, and a proven 20+ year track record. So if you're on the fence about going hybrid or non-hybrid, hopefully this video has helped you in some way. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.